Ever considered expanding your horizons and working in the heart of Europe in a place where history and modernity intertwine? Yes, we're talking about the picturesque nation of Hungary. The first step to working in this culturally rich country is obtaining a work permit visa. The process might seem daunting at first, but when broken down into manageable steps, it becomes a journey worth embarking on. Step 1 is all about being prepared. Ensure your passport has a validity of at least 6 months. Keep your national ID card with a photo at hand. Education is key, so your SSC, HSC degree or equivalent is essential. Age-wise, you should fall into the bracket of 20 to 45 years. Secondly, it's time to delve into the specifics of the job. You could be a general labor factory worker or venture into other fields. The salary ranges from 800 to 1,500 euros per month. The work environment is not only friendly, but also generous, providing food during work hours. Working hours are 8 hours daily, 6 days a week. The third step involves patience. The processing time for your application can take about 3 to 4 months. So, sit back and keep your eyes on the prize, a life-changing opportunity in Hungary. The final step is the visa. You can obtain a visa for 1 to 2 years, which you can submit and withdraw yourself from DACA. Now you are armed with all the information you need to start your journey towards working in Hungary. So why wait? Register now and take advantage of this golden opportunity. Step into a world of new experiences, cultural immersion, and a rewarding career. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. It's time to turn the page and start a new chapter in Hungary.